ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
U MLA ka 19 Shillong South Constituency uba Sanbor Shulai ulaong bakiway ki hapsyong sathan bat ki habban yakhi ban yo Surok ula ay nuksaru yaka kong binda CM kabawan yakhi syong sathan ha Shillong ban yo yaka Surok Haribhoy district hanrei ulaong bakipajba ka 19 Shillong South kimdan kam ban le kumta bat kimdan kam ban yakhi bat kila ban Thiah Aram bet Ïing bat ka Surok kan poi hi ha Jingthiah Jong ki namar bo dan mau u MLA uba kila jen ubala ban penbyang yaki Jingdon kam Jong ki pajba ula keren yakani hagasi babu yo maunong rim bantay yaki kampenroy hapo ka 19 Shillong South Constituency yakabala mangpisa lingba ka North Eastern Council bat ka PWD nakajala yakabala kot hadu khanriu klortam ula ongru baka Jingdon jongu hapo ka seng BJP ka penmento shibun yaki pajba Jong ka constituency
ikong bindas nang tinapori Boy district Iwana dori Boy marway bapli hang Thiah akmat additional secretariat isong kalay mungor hunger strike badawa banyo Surok nado Boy bapli ilong kubi umden ri Boy ndray ka khubor ya pigi men para ba itoy Jongi hanain tahun 19 South Shillong Constituency. Mdal kamba pilih Jong hunger strike. Harus Surok non Boy. Jadu harus Surok pilih Thiah tawa Surok. Ubah sungguh. Ya pigi no Surok jangan 19 South Shillong. Haji Thiah lah Jong one eye Surok. Haji Thiah Jong one eye Surok. Mdal kamba pilih Jong hunger strike. Thiah Aram Haji Thiah. Kanaya ka Surok kalawan akpat copi bentar. Kanaya ka ba ansai kopi itu. Iwe iki skin ba sok. Hagaj im jogi kumbangi bam jaman kasigi itan kam teng itan kam kadawai itan kam ya ga kijing bam itan kam ya go itan kam kawa aji im man kasigi hak konsolsi itan kam pun ci pangkanala ci Surok ci pangkala kiba bon ki schemes kiba ka advantage ci shangan itu ya fi it is a blessing of God because I am with the BJP who is ruling under the prime ministership of Narendra Modi ji. Even in cantonment area, very tough to get even 1 inch of land from the defense is very tough. Just because Sanbor Sulai is your BJP MLA. All the projects which I have sanctioned, which I have brought from the league to develop in the cantonment area, the defense area in entire cantonment area, I am the first MLA which I have managed to get the NOC for various developmental activities in cantonment area. Because I'm in BJP, I used to bring the NOC direct from the lead through the Ministry of Defense. I would like also to express on behalf of you and thank you all the people, all my workers, my supporters, my mentors, my party workers of the BJP that we are here today. We are happy. As a BJP, we are working together and bringing different kind of developmental scheme. And this will be a continued process. Jadi kisim kita new tali bakal akor ke total kanriu kror arlak prabulai hajar news pak naik kedai penriu. Community construction development of cultural complex of Sengkachi Rirai Laban at Lung Shaksi of State Shillong funded under North Eastern Council NEC Central Scheme 2023-24 for an amount of ₹10 crore. Construction of feeder road from the junction house of Late Probing Marbanyang connecting Chingyar up to the residence of Sri DJ Wankar at Lung Dorbar of Parloparing Shillong. Lai Kuru Lai Lak Praja. Construction of feeder road from Washington up to the residence of Sri James Rindam and others at Lum Dorbar or Parlumparing Shillong funded under Public Works Department SPA State Schemes 2023-24, Shikror Laipura, Lak Nruplayajar. Construction of aqueduct slab covered drain from the reservoir water tank at Lum Dorbar along Pludi Road up to the residence of Shirmiti, Hasina, Thaba and others at Lower Lumparing, funded under Public Works Department SPA State Scheme 2023-24, Kandai Huay Lak Nrupayajar. Construction of an approach road from the existing road near the residence of Master A.K. Karim up to the residence of Shrimati Rosalind Karkungor and others at Oxford Hill, Kansas Street, Shillong, funded under Public Works Department State Scheme, SPA State Scheme 2023-24, rupees 19 lakh, Katndai lakh Katsawajar. Construction of motorable road from Footpath Junction leading to the Blue D Road at Riyad Laban, Block D, Kitchabual. Funded under Urban Infrastructure Development Scheme 2023-24, Kalong Arpuar Lak, Sanpuar Hajar, Arspa Sabupra. Reconstruction public footpath and side drain from the house of Binong Cloud towards Riyad Laban, Kitchabual, downwards the Blue D Road near the residence of Shri H. Karluki at Block B, Kitchabual. Funded under Urban Infrastructure Development Scheme Arajar Arpulai Rusau, Kanegalong Arpinyola, Propson Hajar Sanspa Savupra, but the total amount Golong Boro, Kandru Krur, Arlak, Propulai Hajar, News Park, Devon Rio, Tahiti Club, Berkinong Charge Long, Nongson Charge Long, but member Jungin a committee, Mentangin a Ïing Lang, when you play in a product. This developmental project of rupees 16 crore 82 lakhs and this foundation school sanctioned by the central government and state government for an amount of 16 crore 82 lakhs. I declare it open in presence of the heads, the heads of the traditional distribution of 19 South Surok. One.
Itu dia. Ya,